Having worked with various schools, university students, and parents, I know it is a core desire of everyone to improve their academic excellence and also increase their cerebral capacity. And as such, you do not want to make a mistake, or you do not want to be that very student who is constantly failing maths or having low grades in their mathematics courses. And as such, the best way to go about this is to make informed decisions. And one of the informed decisions you can make today is by hitting the subscribe button of this very YouTube channel, as I will be helping you to precisely attain an in-depth understanding of mathematics and engineering. My name is Dr. Avitech, and I am a STEM tutor and an academic coach. My primary job is to ensure you hit your academic goals, and the role I have to play in that is by ensuring you make the right decisions and by solving tailored math problems to help you in your math courses. So, you know the books to read and the books not to read, the habits you should keep and the habits not to keep, including the techniques that are going to improve your productivity. So with this, let us get started. See you there.